Prostate cancer, ma'am.
Yeah, Kinsey Galura Madarang said for prostate cancer. Okay, the best is serpentina. Okay, as far as the 16 years that I have been practicing medicine, the one that really helped people is serpentina. Okay.
Fresh serpentina.
Fresh serpentina. You can. I tried pumpkin seed. I tried saw palmetto, but the one that really clicked for me is the serpentina. That's the one that really helped a lot of my patients when I was in FEL. And of course, Boston C and megadose vitamin C. And yeah.
Deep vein thrombosis.
Yes. Okay. Deep vein thrombosis, again, garlic, ginger, vitamin E, diba? Sinabi ko na po sa inyo, vitamin. Gina Salvador Santiago for constipation, alugbati. Yan.
Or megadose vitamin C.
You know, a couple of years ago, I had a problem with a hypersensitivity reaction. So all of the foods that I was taking, and do you remember?
Yeah.
And I was just taking in alugbati. And when I took alugbati for 3 days, I was just crapping, peeing a lot, and I got skinnier. Yeah. So if you wanna be skinnier, eat a lot of alugbati.
So you're saying you want me to eat a lot of alugbati?
Yeah, it's spinach malabar. I don't know because you don't like it. Yeah, he doesn't like it. He doesn't like vegetables. Okay. Any experience working with people diagnosed with scleroderma? Yes, I have a lot of experience. Actually, I have in the 16 years that I have been a medical doctor, I've seen almost all. So with scleroderma, okay, you can put virgin coconut oil on your skin. Okay, that's one of the best thing that you can do. Olive oil, also Boston C, megadose vitamin C, and ginger. Okay, you drink the ginger, you boil it, make it as a tea, and then you drink it. Doc, okay po ba yung Sante Barley yan? Kasi araw-araw na iniinom ko. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm not the manufacturer of this product.
Completely unfamiliar with their product.
So if you're gonna ask me, I have no idea. Okay, I only if you wanna try herbal medication, I prefer that you try the entire plant, the plant itself. Okay, yun ang pinakamaganda. Fresh plant. Okay, Rosalia C. Paragas from Binalonan, Pangasinan. Oh, I miss all of the fishes there. Say hello, Henry.
Hello.
Mercy Alvarez watching from Daman, Saudi Arabia. Ano pong pwede sa hypothyroidism? Seaweeds. Okay? Eat a lot of seaweeds. It's so simple. And if you have hyperthyroidism cabbage, you do cabbage juicing. Okay? Joy De Silva Banyares, hi, ask ko po pwedeng inumin for diabetic. Advice na po for insulin. Okay, if you're diabetic, this is a lifestyle disease. So you have to change your lifestyle. That's the first thing that you have to do. So what I tell people is that you have to put in your head that you are allergic to sweet foods, okay? Or to foods that are very, very tasty. So, wag na ho kayong kakain yan, okay? The first thing to do is to put yourself on chromium, okay? Chromium enhances the facilitation of the entrance of sugar from the blood into your cells, okay? That's actually part of your glucose tolerance factor. So, it's made up of your insulin, your sugar, and chromium. So, it facilitates the entrance. So, you have to take chromium, 200 micrograms, 3 times a day. You can also use magnesium, okay? Now, magnesium, this is what I have been, I have magnesium, okay? And this is what I have been trying to tell people, that if you are magnesium deficiency, regardless of what age you are, you may die of heart attack, okay? And in some instances, if you are magnesium deficient, it can lead to a lot of cancer types, okay? You can have leukemia, lymphoma. So it's better for you to take a lot of magnesium. The only drawback if you take a lot of magnesium is you're just gonna be crapping like crazy. Yeah. Again, serpentina will help you as well if you're diabetic. And insulin plant. Okay, so you have to take this plant. Ginger, garlic, they can also help. Okay, so next is Glory Astroga, Rica Frente. Ay. I cannot see anymore.
Alda Jacinto.
Yeah. May bukol sa kilig. Cough. Okay, cough. Oregano. Yeah, simple as oregano, honey and cinnamon. Yeah, those are for cough. Okay. One is asking Charina Campbell. So she's from UAE. She said that, Doctora, I have interstitial tumor pneumonia. Not malignant, pero lumalaki po siya from 5 to 9 cm. Ano pong magandang herbal sa Kenya at magbasal na pagkain? Watching. Okay, so she has some interstitial tumor pneumonia. I don't know what that means. It means that there's a mass, yeah. So if you have a mass in your lungs, the best thing to do is to drink Boston Sea and megadose vitamin C. Also, my favorite is asparagus. Asparagus and guyabano leaves. Okay, so if you have a lot of masses in your body, the first thing to do is to get a lot of guyabano leaves.
And of course, dietary modification.
Okay, so Doc, what's causing blood clot on toenails? The big toe po. Like it's like a spot po. Baka mamaya napukpok mo naman.
Are your shoes too small?
Baka napukpok mo, Sheena. Yeah. So if you have a blood clot, they usually go away, especially if on those places
it just takes a long time. I mean,
yeah.
if you have a blood spot on your toenail, it will typically take just months to actually grow out from the matrix.
So it's not something that you should be afraid of, okay? But if you're scared with that, you can just drink garlic and ginger.
Sheila is Merrill, I'm right there. Sheila is Merrill.
Sheila! So she had, Doc, lang, my mother operated from mastectomy 2 weeks ago, carcinoma stage 2B. She always complained paminsan. Okay, so if you have cancer, again, like what I have been trying to tell people, the best thing to do is to drink guyabano leaves. That's the first thing to do. Guyabano leaves. If you do not know, like you have a mass in the thyroid, you do not know if it's cancer or what, the first thing to do is to grab a guyabano leaves and then just drink it, you know. Boil it, drink it 3 times a day. That's okay with you, okay? So, hello, Delia Marasigan. Para sa gallstone. Oh, did you see? A lot of our followers right now, they're posting pictures of their kidney stones.
Some big ones.
Yeah. So, you can take sampalukan, okay, for that.
Stonebreaker.
Okay, these are stone breakers and they're actually good for you, okay? So, Jocelyn Jokno Ilagan asking for hypereosinophilic syndrome, okay? Hypereosinophilic, the eosinophils.
Hello sa Eiko Yamaguchi in Japan.
Eosinophils are high in the blood. So usually if you have a high eosinophils in the blood, is that you have like an allergic reaction or you have a parasitic infection. So the one that can really help you is ginger and garlic. And if everything else fails, you take Boston Sea and megadose vitamin C. Yes, Jonalyn de Mesa, Clemente, what is the best herbal medicine for Dengvaxia recipient? Again, my favorite, horsetail. Horsetail tea and ginger. Horsetail tea, yung ano po yan, para siyang tali ng horse. Okay, yung kanya pong tail. So that's how it looks like. Hello po sa inyo, G-May S.J. Legaspi. Kahit po ba walang sakit, pwede mag-take ng Boston Sea? Yes. Even if you are not sick, you can take Boston Sea. Okay po?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, understand, like I said before, Boston Sea is 84 vitamins and minerals that are needed by our bodies. Absolutely every single one of them is used within our body. And so, of course, it benefits you.
Yes.
What we're talking about is just super nutritive dosing. When someone is in a condition of illness, they typically need super nutritive, which means a higher level than normal dosing in order to return to health. And so that's what we're able to do with these products.
Yes. Okay. Reynalda Dublin, what's the best cure for recurrent sinusitis? My favorite, honey and cinnamon. That's my favorite. Just put 1 tablespoon of honey and a pinch of cinnamon in a cup of water and drink
Age
it
limit
3
for
times a
Boston Tea?
day. There's no age
There's no
limit.
age limit.
Although it says here, diba, do not give to pregnant women and children, but you can.
That again, that
Yeah.
is a FDA regulation that must be printed upon there.
Yes, but I
You
have.
know, the funny thing is,
I gave it to young children when I was in Phil. I gave it to young children and they were fine. Yes.